Born in the early 19th centuries to a wealthy Egba family, Efunsetan Aniwura, from a young age, she showed a sharp mind for business, and after inheriting her family's wealth, she became a formidable trader in Ibadan. Dealing in tobacco, slaves, and arms, Efunsetan built an empire of farms and trade routes, becoming one of the wealthiest and most powerful women in West Africa. Her rise was not just marked by wealth, but by leadership. She employed hundreds, commanded great respect, and led with strength. But her life was also marked by tragedy. After the loss of her only child, Efunsetan's heart hardened. She became known for her ruthless rule, imposing strict discipline on her workers and cutting ties with those who questioned her authority. Her fall came when her once loyal chiefs turned against her. Wary of her harsh methods, accused of tyranny, she was eventually dethroned by a coalition of chiefs in Ibadan, and a powerful reign ended in tragedy. Yet, even in her fall, Efunsetan remains a legend, a woman of unmatched ambition, wealth, and resilience. Paula Beauty honors women like Efunsetan. Their products are crafted for the bold and resilient. To win product used on this video, check captions for details.